round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, I get around, I get around, round, round.
In 1970, it was the first national act followed by the first federal Data Protection Act, Dustin Darton successor. So where was England? Easy question. A quick Google search showed me that we were busy growing groovy hair and having a whale of a time with the World Cup, but not for long. 1984 brought the first Data Protection Act in England. This is just after technology and personal computers really escalated in the microcomputer revolution. As technology developed, introducing bigger companies using and storing data in different ways, it was time to update. 14 years after the original act in 1998, further data protection was set into motion. The 8 principles defined are still in practice today, although they've been updated 570 times to date, according to the government legislation website. After 20 years of the well-learned 8 principles, data protection is about to take a new form to rectify some major flaws. GDPR is an EU regulation standing for the General Data Protection Regulation, which comes into effect on the 28th of May. 2018. This will require most companies to make changes to the way they handle data in the future. Some academics fear that GDPR will not allow one-time consent. I think this may cause a problem to technology, as many mobile phones, or the Amazon Echo for example, currently only need one-time consent to listen for command words. This could cause an issue as the Echo must analyse each word to see if it is a command. If it had to be given permission to listen every day, people would find the repetition tedious, severely limiting the effectiveness of the Echo and customer satisfaction. Others think that the new tighter regulations on automated decision-making will make automation tricky to implement, as GDPR prohibits the use of fully automated decisions, insisting there will be some form of human interaction. Will this mean technology uses have been slightly hindered, as if humans must make a final decision? What's the point of automation? More and more academic papers about principles in GDPR are being written and revised every day because GDPR poses such a big change to society rights, like the right to be forgotten. Does this right extend as far as search engines, for example? Will search engines have to be modified to allow data to be more easily deleted? I think not. Discussions on the effect of GDPR on children have also been lengthy, as GDPR infers more permissions must be given to store children's information, and the effects of this are to be analysed.